Dear participants, good evening. We'll wait for 3-4 minutes as other participants are joining, and then we'll start the class. Thank you. So you can start the session.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Hello, everyone. How are you guys? All doing great? Yeah. Yeah, please mark your presence on the chat box. Yes, no. And tell me also like who is continuing from the day one. So today is the day nine, I think, right? Yes. Yeah, Atharva, day one to day nine. Yeah, it's great. Okay, it's day seven, so I was not there for that training. Okay, okay, no issue, no issue, no issue. Our main motivator, you guys should learn something. So you are learning, I think, right? Yes, yes. Yes. And please ask your friend to join fast, okay? We are going to start in a minute. Yeah, please ask your near and dear to join fast, okay? Who are continuing from day one. Yeah, yeah, please ask. Please forward this meeting link like you are forwarding your reel to your friends. Yes. You can invite your Instagram friend also. No issue. Yes, yes, please ask your friend to join first. Yes, yes. Because I can't see the number. It's very low. Okay. So can we start now? Yeah, come on, yes, no? Yes, all are ready? Okay, okay. Okay, so today, yeah, let me share my screen. So everybody can see my screen, right? I think. Yeah, please you can write in the chat. Yeah, everybody can see my screen. Please yes, no. Yes, like my screen is visible to everyone, I think, right? Okay. So today we are going to understand about the to-do list. Okay, in to-do list, we try to understand what is the CRUD operation basically. Okay, and we'll create one to-do list in React. Okay. Okay. So what is to-do list? Okay, so come here. To-do is basically, na, whatever the task you want to do, okay, it will do, and like it will map all the information. Okay, that is called the to-do list. Okay, got it, everyone? So let's see one by one, what the functionality needed and what the things required to make the to-do list there. Okay. So building a to-do list, understand the functionality of the CRUD operation. Basically, in to-do, we are like basically like dealing with the CRUD operation. What is CRUD stand for? C stand for create. Okay. R stand for read. U stand for update, and R stand for delete. This is called CRUD. Create, read, update, and delete. Okay. This is called CRUD. Okay. Then after, what is the to-do list? Okay, to-do list is the app is more than just the like a digital notepad. Okay, so it will store all your information and everything, whatever you are doing, or we can edit it or and remove it. Basically, it's a basic feature of the to-do list. Okay, key functionality. What is in the to-do list? We can add a task, you can view a task, you can edit the task, or you can delete the task. Okay, so in CRUD, what we are doing, C stand for create, okay, which I had told, okay, R stand for read, to retrieve and display the data, okay, and U stand for update, which is called modify the existing record, and D stand for delete, to remove the data permanently, okay. So create operation in to-do list, how it's work. Okay, suppose how create works. Okay, like, actually, so there is a interface. Okay, and you are like giving some input. Okay, by manual interface only, by user in intervention and all. You are giving some input. Okay, so it is storing that information. Okay, and then after it is sending to the your database. In if you are not having database, you are storing in user state or local state. You are storing somewhere, and whenever you require, it is updating, right? So that is called the create works. Okay, in real world example, you can use like the buy grocery with the description milk, eggs, and set anything tomorrow. That app capture this data and store it permanently. Okay, these things it will work. Suppose if you order something, so it will catch that data, means read the data. Suppose how, what is the meaning to read the data? Suppose when you go on Amazon, right? So this is the Amazon page I have opened, and I open this, right? So when you are going on any page or any website, okay, and whatever the things we are doing, suppose I am clicking on this, this website is storing all the information, right? Suppose if you are putting in add to cart, so they are storing your information in add to cart, and whenever in anywhere on the website you go, you find it like that information is added in your cart, right? Got it or not? You go on cart, you will find something like if you add it 2, 3, 4, it will get added. So it will always in your cart. Okay. So if you see, if you go on any page with this email ID, you will find it. Okay, okay, that is good, and it's already stored in your database, right? So that is called the cart. Okay. Then after the real operation in to-do list, okay, so use your data storage and the query request and the display result, okay. So no need to like think worry about the data use and all, okay. In the coming week we'll need to understand like what is the database, how it's work and backend and all things. We'll discuss all the things there, okay. So now update means like if you are updating, if you are like put it something wrong and if you want to update it, so that is called the update, which is called you, okay. And then after delete, suppose if you want to delete any some particular information, so you can delete accordingly, right? So how CRUD works? Okay, user interface, the user click on the button to submit the app. Okay, so it will store the information. Then after the API request trigger and whatever the request it is post, get, put, patch, delete, it will store in the backend and the server process the information. And then after it will go to the database to perform that particular response, and then will update on your UI. Okay, so that is like the whole life cycle of the CRUD. Okay, so create means like on creating we will put it like the post request, okay. Read means you are putting get request, update, patch, delete we are putting, okay. Got it. And this is all about the summary and everything. To do apps demonstrate the CRUD operation in action and each interface to map the all the information you are getting, okay. The CRUD is the principal virtual to all the display the data we are getting from your backend. Okay, so got it. Everybody clear up to this point? Okay, it's just a, like what we are going to do. Okay, in the remaining session, what we are going to do just is a overmap. Yeah, you got some idea about like yes. Yes. All are clear about the CRUD operation and the to-do list. Yes, tell me. Tell me in the chat. Okay, so can we proceed? Yeah, can we proceed ahead? Okay, so I'm sharing my screen again. Now see what we are going to do. So this is the day 9. I am opening this with the VS Code. Okay. Here what we have to do, we have to first install the React. Okay. React local setup. Okay. Like yesterday, we like I introduced about the code sandbox where we can do the virtual coding of, by the React framework. Okay. So you guys got it about these things, right? Okay. So for this, what we have to do, we have to go on website, create React app. This one. Okay. On in create React app, we have to go on this website. and click here, build a React app from a scratch. Okay, and here is the command, just copy it and paste it here. That's it. Okay, and just we want only in React. Okay, so why TS is coming? So I don't want in TS, I want only in React. It will come in with the like the JavaScript also. Okay, means TypeScript also. So I don't want these things. Okay, we can go with this also, like the race build, or like we can also go with the command like React router and Tailwind, and all things you can apply. Okay, so what I suggest you, okay, just try to go with these things also. White build optimization is also there. We can create the React app by white also. Everything is there, how we can install and everything is there. Okay, so environment setup, introduction, everything is there, so we can go with these things also. So right now we go with only React. Okay, so again go there and press enter. So it's asking for the no and yes, and it says start installing my app. Okay, everybody try this today. I suggest you to everybody do along with me. Okay, so it will help you. Okay, everybody do coding along with me, so it will help you in a better understanding. Okay, from like the from past 2 3 days you guys are just watching. Okay, so what I suggest you, everybody open your laptop. Okay, if you are joined with the phone, okay, keep your phone aside and parallelly with the screen, and open your laptop. Okay, and just run this command. Go to on the website and run this command only. Where it is, this one. Okay, and not this one. Sorry, this one command you can run. Okay, this one. Consider using a framework. Okay, so in detail, hide it is already of the create React app is there. So we can go from in this way also. We can go with the latest also. Okay. So what I suggest, go with these things. Okay. So it's already installed. If I click on it, it will redirect on the UI. Okay. So you are getting this kind of UI. Everybody know from where this UI is coming. You have to go in SRC or in app.js, and from where you are getting all the UI and everything, right? So what we do, we'll remove everything. Okay, and then after we'll remove these things also. Done. Okay, clear up to this point, right, everyone? Yes, no? Yes, 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 please answer me. Yes, no? Clear up to this point, everyone? You can do up to this point, right? You are good, comfortable with these things. Okay, if you are good enough or like good, comfortable to doing up to this point, means you have learned the React half. Okay, because most of the people have a fear to how to set up the things and how the things will work. Most of the people will fail in doing these things only. Okay, so you are like above these things. Yes, no? In your surrounding, in your friend, you guys feel like this. Okay, most of the people have a fear to install the things and how the things will work, right? Okay, so we have a React app and everything is there. Okay, now we move ahead. Okay, so we use like DeepSeek. Most of the people are asking for DeepSeek yesterday, so today I will do with the DeepSeek. Okay, and tomorrow I will introduce one more platform like the code sand, like the which is called the code sandbox. Okay, which also help you to get a inbuilt like the platform to code. Okay, so tomorrow I will introduce this. Okay, so I've opened the DeepSeek. Okay, maybe I have to log in, I think. Okay, it's already login by my ID. Okay, so now what I want to do, I want to create a todo app, okay, in react.jsx, okay, in which user input have like name, city, image URL, okay, okay, and map all information in table below the form and add delete button to delete particular element. Okay, I want these things only. Okay, so let's see what we are getting. So it's creating. So create a main component. Okay, in app. Okay, to-do list and everything is there. There is a handle submit. It will submit all the information. Then there is a delete to do. So it's work for the delete. And it has created CSS also. Okay, everybody can see. Right, app and all everything is there. Okay, so if you want you can continue with these things also, or if you don't want, what we can do, we can import the file with the module format also. Okay, so we'll go by default also. Okay, we'll go by default. So what I can do here now, if you notice it now, okay, if you notice it now, it has created the file in the app.css. Okay, so what I want to create a separate file name todo.jsx and css file todo dot module dot css. Okay, so it will create a separate file for this because it's updating everything in the same file. So it has created the separate file for css, I think, right? Okay, so todo module dot css, and then after what is updating, let me check. App update app.css global structure. Okay, we don't need this. Okay, so this is the folder structure and everything is explained. Okay, so now start working on this. For this, what we have to do now, firstly we have to create one todo file. Okay, so I copy it. Okay, and go there, and in src we have to create file in src. Okay, new file, or we write it like todo dot jsx. That's it, and paste it. So it will get created, and in this we see there is a css. Okay, so we have to create one css also. todo.module.css. In src we go there and create it like todo.module.css. That's it, we have created, and we get all the information for the module, this one, and put it there, right? So we got all the information done. Now what we'll do now, we'll map it in the app.js. What we have to map it here, just tell me, so we can get the all the output and everything. Not setting nothing. Okay, I want response from you guys. Which file I have to render here, so I will get all the output. Just tell me. Yes, yes. Which file I have to render here in app.js, which main file I have to render here. So in UI, I will get something here, right? Right now, nothing is there. So which file I have to render here, so I will get the output and all. Just answer me. Yes, yes, please, please, please. Open your mind and think once. Yes, any reply from anyone? Yes, please, please reply. Then after we'll discuss in detail about the each and every line of the code. Yes, no reply, nothing. Okay, just see here. Okay, Todo module. No, 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 not Todo module. If you see now, just see here. Okay, if you go in todo.jsx now, Todo module style is already imported here. Okay, so now everything and every functionality are happening in todo.jsx. So in the main file, we have to import the todo.jsx only, right? So we go there and write it like the todo. That's it. So we'll get it all the things, right? Now we go on the UI, we'll get something like this. Okay, no todo item yet added. Okay, so let's try with one. Okay, so I am adding like Rahul, then after like the city Pune, and I'm adding some URL. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so we are getting the name, that things. Okay, okay, we are adding one more elements. So we go on the Amazon. Okay, and we are like the getting items for these things, mobile new release. Okay, electronics, home kitchens. Okay, we are more step ahead. So we are going children wear. Okay, children room decor. Okay, it's a children room decor. Oh, kids, where is the kids section? Kids wear. Simply search for kids wear. Okay, we are getting lots of items. Okay, so we paste it one items, copy it, copy image address and paste it there in our app. Okay, etc. Okay, then city is Mumbai. Okay, and we are adding some information. That's it, or it get added, I think, right? So simply we'll add some more information, right? Like Shubham, sorry, Shubham, and then after we go there and add some information for Shubham. Okay, so suppose this is the Shubham. Okay, no, no, sorry, sorry, this is the UR, right? Okay, so this is Delhi. Then after we need it like the Rashmi. and here is like the Bangalore, and we take EY from here. Yeah. Okay, copy image address. Okay, just tell me some name, guys. Whose name want to add it? Just give me some name. Yes, any name from your side. Teju. Okay, I will add Teju, Jyoti. Any other name? Okay, Teju, Jyoti. I got one name. Sai. Okay. Okay, I will try with these things only. Then after we ask for other names. Okay. So this is Teju. Okay. Teju is a boy, I think, right? Please make sure, otherwise I will put some like the girl's image or something. So don't feel offended. Okay, so I go there, paste it, and this is our Teju Bhaiya. Then after, what was the other name? Sorry, I forget. I have to check. What was the after Teju? What was the name? Sai. Okay. After Sai, what was the name? Ritu. Okay. So Ritu, it's also from Pune, and then after we put it the image. Control V, edit. And then after Sai. Sai is a boy or girl? Just tell me. Yes, I'm confused in this. So, yes, Sai is a boy or girl? Boy. And because I have to put the image. That's why. No reply, nothing. Okay, I have to check Sai Patel. Okay, boy. Sorry, Sai. Sorry, Sai. Okay, one of my friend, like her name is also Sai, so I thought. Okay, so it's Sai. Paste it and done. Okay, so you added some information, right? And if you want to delete anyone, it will get deleted from the here or from the your storage also, right? But what I want now, what we have created now, okay, we have create means we have completed the C. Okay, if you open this, so in CRUD we have created the C. Okay, means we are done with the post request, means we have created the element. Okay, now we are mapping means we are reading the information. You can see whatever the information you are getting, you are reading it, and then you are mapping it. Means you are like the where it is. Yeah, your gate is also done. Okay, now we have updated the delete also. We have implemented the delete also. Means like if you are deleting any content, it is deleted, right? So means we are done with the delete also. Now the things is done for the edit, or which is called patch or put. Okay, so these things are only left. So when you are clicking on edit, there should be what I want. There should be okay, where it is. Uh, if we want to implement one more button, which is your edit, and when we click on it, one pop-up should come, and you got an option to edit the each and every field, right? Okay, so this is called edit. So we'll implement this edit also. Okay, so meanwhile, you guys tell me, clear up to this point? Yes, no? Yes, tell me, yes, no? Clear up to this point, everyone? Yes, hopefully clear about these things, right? Now we'll implement the edit also. Okay. So let's see. So here what I want, just here. Here I want to add some extra button. Okay. After delete, and if you click in only one pop-up should come and every field should appear there. Name, email, name and image and city, everything we can change it. Okay. So I want to implement this. Okay. So I will go there where it is. Yeah, here. In the to do, I want to add edit button. Edit button after delete. And on deleting, what should happen? Oh, sorry. And on clicking on edit, a pop-up should come and get option to delete, option to edit, sorry, option to edit all existing user input. That's it, we needed. And we just press it. So just wait, it's updating everything and just wait for some time. Yes, yes, we'll discuss all the things like all the code and everything. We are just right now we are just like implementing the things, and then after we will discuss is remaining. After delete, okay, we have edit open modal, okay, and that will install all the things. Yeah, it's taking a little bit of time. Okay, so I start with CSS. I just copy it simply and paste it into the to-do module CSS. So I wind up like the previous one and paste it the new one. Okay, then after we go for the todo.jsx. So in todo.jsx we did the same thing, and we take the code, whole code, and copy it. And that's it. Okay, why we are getting this line? Let me check. Okay, it's coming by default. Okay, it's not in our control. So just leave it. So got it? Everybody is set. Okay, let me check once what we are getting in the. So we go there and we are getting something like this. Okay, so we start adding like name, Pune, and this thing. Add todo. Okay, now we are getting one more option to edit also. Okay, let me check. Let me add some few name. Okay, so Ritu and city is Pune, and we are adding some particular image for Ritu again. So this is for Ritu. Sai, Mumbai, and we are adding some information for the Sai image. I'm audible to everyone, right? Or my sound is little bit low to you guys. Can you confirm it? Yeah, please check from your side also. There is a Sonal. Okay. Okay, sorry. This is for the URL only. Delhi. Okay, we add some more information like Saurav. For Saurav, we add this information. Sorry. Chennai. Done. Okay, so we added like this much information. If you are clicking on edit, things are getting deleted. Clicking on delete, things are deleted. Okay, then after we are clicking on like just 1 minute, huh? 1 minute. Okay, so got it. So when you are clicking on edit, we are getting some pop-up, or we can update the name also, like Ritu1 if you want to Pune. If you want to change the things also, you can change it and click on update. So things are reflected, okay? If you want to change it the Sai like Sai 5, okay? And you want to change it Mumbai 2, so you can change it. If you want to change the whole image also, you can also change it and update it. Okay, so things are getting updated. Okay, now everyone clear up to this point? Just tell me yes, no. Okay, you got the all functionality. Now we have achieved the patch also. Patch means we can say the delete and edit option also. Got it, everyone? We achieve this update also means by put or patch. Got it, everyone? Yes, no, just tell me. Yes, no, anyone? Yeah, got it, everyone? Okay, just I have to Actually, I will stop sharing a screen now because I'm looking for the message and you're trying to reply your chat, so that's why. Okay, clear up to this point, everyone? Yes, no. Now I will tell you one more interesting things. Hope you guys know or don't know or don't know. You see, yeah, this is our app, right? You see, like the app name, okay? The app name is this one, my app, okay? So from where it is coming, anybody can tell me from where it is coming. Yeah, from which file section it is coming, anybody can tell me. Yes, anyone. I want answer from you guys. From which file section it is coming? Yeah, just reply in the chat, okay? Yeah, I have stopped sharing so I can see your chat for some time, okay? Then after I will get back to the main screen. Yeah. Just reply in the chat how many of you know to how you can change the like the heading the same way you are changing in your HTML, the same way how you can change it here. Okay, I want to know. Yeah, title of the page, how you can change it. Yes, tell me. Anyone here, please reply, guys. Yeah. So some interaction. No one know? Yes, tell me, you guys know or not? Yeah, Tejas, my app, okay. Not in my app. Yeah, tell me, like in which file I have to change it. In which file I have to make changes so it will reflect on the like the title of the SRC. Okay. So moreover, like some people are correct or most of the people are not replying. So please reply. Yeah, please reply in chat. Okay, why I am like asking question in the middle now to make you proactive, okay? So if you want to work in corporate or anywhere, so you have to be a proactive, okay? And today we are going to discuss about like the career and all these things on the like the full stack job and all, okay? So we'll discuss on these things also. Okay, I will explain like how you can do it, okay? So as you know the flow structure of the code, okay, this is your whole code. So just no need to worry. Okay, this is I haven't discussed about the code. Okay, just I'm telling the code. I will discuss this. Okay, so this is our whole code inside SRC. We are writing code. Okay, there is a public code. If you need any image or something, you can put it here. And directly I can act and access it. And this is a node module where like all the npm and whatever the package you are using, it's a store install there. You don't have to do anything. Okay, if you open it and CGS and like so many things are there, we don't have to touch anything, any single line of code, okay? So just keep it as it is. Then after their module and all which we have created, then after git ignore and the in listing everything is there. We don't have to make changes anywhere, okay? Then after there is a index.html, then after there is a package.json, which all are like the pre-built or already in the package. Then after package.json, which tell you like what's the things we are using, so it is there. Okay, now then after there is a white, okay, so we created by white config, so we are getting the white configuration all. Okay, now whatever the things we are creating in a SRC, whatever the file and everything we are creating, we are putting all the things in the this one app.jsx. We are importing all the things file in the app.jsx. And when you go in the main.js, in main.js, we are importing the app.js, right? So everything going on app.js, and after this app.js are going in main.js, okay? It's by default, okay? We don't have to work on the main.js, okay? In some time you need to access some library and extra things, in that time it's needed, but right now it's not needed, okay? Then after we go on the index.html, you see like the in a script tag, your src main file is triggered. So basically everything are everything are ending here in html. So whatever code you are writing, all things are converting here in html, and then it's get updated. Here is basically it's a div and it's a root, and everything is going there, okay, right? And here is the name my app, okay? If you want, you can change it, right? And here is like the icons and the image type spj, which we are accessing from the public file. Okay, if you go in SPGY, we are getting these things, right? If you change it, it will get changed. Okay, got it? Okay. If you go there, you see like your app name has changed, right? Yes, no. Got it? Okay. So here we stop here for like a break for 10 minutes. Okay. And we'll 10 after 10 minutes, we will back again and discuss about the code and all things. And we'll discuss about some more stuff about the React and all. Okay. So just take a break, have some water, coffee, anything, whatever you want. Go and take some walk and something. And please be back on like 8:10. Okay. Okay. Yes, hopefully everybody back, I think. Yes, no? Yeah, yeah. Please show your presence in chat box. Everyone. Yes, yes. Okay, quickly everyone reply in the chat like your city name. Okay. Actually, I forget most of the city name. Yeah, quickly reply in the chat. Yes, Hyderabad. Then after Bangalore. Okay. Pune. Okay. Cha. Okay. Dundai. Cha. Okay. Hyderabad. Jalgaon. Okay. Good. Yes, whatever. Sorry, sir, for late. Okay, no issue, no issue. Okay, just reply in the chat. Okay, how many of you are currently in Bangalore? Yes, yes. How many of you, how many people like from you, like you are in Bangalore? No one is Bangalore? Okay. Right now I'm in Bangalore. So that's why I'm asking. Okay, you guys can connect here. Yes. And meanwhile, I can share. Yes, you guys can connect there. And one more I'm sending. Just wait 1 minute. Yes, yes, just wait 2 minutes. I'm searching something for you guys. Okay, later on. Okay, how many of you got about like the things like what we have discussed about the architecture and all and CRUD and everything? Yes. Yes, how many of you? All are clear, right? Okay, done. So now we start discussing about like the code and all in detail, like okay, what's happening in the code and everything. Okay. So everybody can see the screen, right? Yes, right. I think everybody can see. So initially, what's happening here? Oh, this is the node module. I've closed it. Okay. We have a assets. In assets, we have a app and everything. We don't make any changes in all these things. So directly we are working on todo.jx and todo module.js. Okay. These are the basically two files we have. Okay. Yes, right. Yeah, yeah. I will confirm the things. No need to worry. Okay. So done, everyone. Okay. So we'll discuss each and everything about the code and things like how the things is working. Okay. Just be here. Okay. So forget about these things, a state and file and all these things. Okay. Now we start with here like the our main logic part. Here what we have did, we have taken two state. One is the to dos and another is the form data, and where we are updating the information. Okay. Here we have taken the form of array, and these use state are importing from the React. Okay. So हमने यहाँ पर एक स्टेट लिया है और उसे हम यहाँ से React से import कर रहे हैं. Then after we are taking another state which is the form data and set form data. Okay, this todos we are using for updating our like the seat table. Okay, a table which we are below the form. Okay, and this form is basically using for to update the things for the table. Got it? Okay. Now we are taking the name, city, image, URL, and everything we are taking. Okay, and we are sending all the information in edit form. Okay, so we are taking the edit form also, and we are updating all the information whatever we are taking from the form. Okay, And for form, we are taking one more state, is modal updated or is edited modal open or not. Okay, so for this we are taking one more state. Then after there is a handle input change. Okay, so what handle input change is doing? Anybody, by reading the code, anybody can tell me what handle input change is doing? Yes. Everybody clear about it? Like what the handle input change is doing? Okay. So whatever the things you are like putting in your form, okay. So all things are managed by handle input change, okay. So whatever the things, your name, value, everything, whatever you are sending, so it's basically managed by the handle input change, where your name, value, and it's like all whatever information you are getting, it's setting to the set form, okay. And then after we moved ahead, okay, handle edit form input change. So whatever edit you want to make it in your form, so it will all handle by the handle edit form, where you are passing the name and the value, okay. And then after e target, and we are setting all the information where this name and value are coming. For this we have to go for the HTML part, which is the return, and this is the ID is the name and the name is the name, okay. So we are captioning both of the things, okay, for everything, okay. Then after what is there? Okay, then after the handle edit is done, then after is the handle submit. Handle submit is working on that button. Once you click it, it's like triggering the handle submit and submitting all the information, name, city, and image. Okay, so you're taking URL. If you don't have URL, it's taking the dummy URL. That's it. Okay, and then after we are uploading all the to-dos in the set to-dos and setting all the data in the form data. That's it. Then after the delete to-do. Okay, so whenever we are clicking, it's catching that particular to-do ID and deleting the information. Okay. Then after we have a open edit modal. When you click on it, a modal will be open with the same input file, name, city, and image URL. Okay, and it's updating, like whatever you update, this set edit modal will update it. Okay, we have taken here set edit modal. Okay. Then after what we have a update to do. Update to do means like when the modal is open, we are editing the information. So these things are managed by the edit form data, okay. And if there is a city and the name and like whatever the things you are editing, it will all map again by in your table, okay. So this, that's why whatever things you are getting, we are adding all the information in prep data, okay. And then after we are editing all the information again, okay. And then after set edit modal is false, okay. And then after your forms will become empty. That's it. Then after close edit modal, when you click on the close, it will get closed. Suppose if you are clicking on something, just let me explain. Okay, so if you're clicking on it, there is a close, okay. So this is the close model. If you are clicking on it and if you will not make any change, so it will be not safe. If you will make any change, that change will be safe, okay. So that is done by a handle close modal, okay. And then after we are returning all the information, okay, in the CSS and the CSS style and everything, there is a form submit and handle submit when you are submitting all the information, okay. So for this we have created a like the a style, and a style we are accessing from the this page, okay. A style modular CSS, we have defined all the classes and everything in a very well manner, okay. Then after there is a handle submit. From handle submit, where it's working, you guys know very well. Yeah, handle submit is here, okay. So when you are clicking on submit, it's triggered that function, and whatever the things in inside the form, it will all get submitted, okay. So let's check one by one. There is a one div, okay, a style div group, okay. Inside this we have a label which is called name, okay. We can see name, and for the name type is text, ID is name, and there is a one more value we are passing name to catch the data, okay, and there is a value which is called form dot name, and the on change we are passing the handle input change, and here we are putting the styles dot input, whatever the styles we are giving, okay. The same thing with the city, type is text city, and the name everything we are passing. Got it? And for the this for the like the group for the image URL, okay. And then after the submit button, here we have created one the modal, okay. Not modal, it's for the table, and whatever information you are getting in the TR, that is the like the heading TH, image, name, city, and everything, and we are mapping all the information there. Okay, that's it. So whatever information you are getting, we are all the information are stored in the to-do, which I told you earlier, okay. To do is for to update the table only, okay. So we are storing all the information here, and then after we are updating the table means we all are stored in the form of array. You can see here in to-dos, okay, you see here all are storing information in the form of array, okay. So we are taking the to-dos dot length means array dot length of the element, and then after we are traversing by key element, and we are taking care of all the elements and mapping one by one for every scenario. What we are mapping, todo dot image name, and the image URL, and the target src whatever you are providing, okay. Then after the style table data name and everything is there, okay. Got it? Then after there is a edit button. If you want click on edit, the edit will trigger. If you click on delete, the handle delete will trigger, okay. That's all, okay. And it is coming here, no total data is above, so it's coming here only, okay. If no data is there, so it will show there, okay. And then this is the modal, okay. We have created one modal, and for this we have given the css and all. It basically opening a one pop-up, okay, which all are managed by the css, and it's managing your all the input, okay. So it's managing for the image, it's managing for your city, and it's managing for your name. Got it? But that's all about the code part of the your to-dos. So understanding code is not a big challenge. You should understand like the what functionality going on there, right? So that is the main task. Okay, clear up to this point, everyone? Okay. Now today we'll discuss about some the career map. Okay. After this, there are two, 3 points are still there for today class. Okay. So we'll discuss these things also. Okay. Before that, I want to give some highlight about like the career opportunity and all, because like whatever you are doing, okay, you should know like after completing these things what we can get. Okay. And if you are master in these things, what kind of career opportunity you can get. Okay. So whatever we are discussing now is like moreover related to like the Gen AI and like the development and all the things. Okay, so if you start your career as a developer, so on an average salary, actually I'm telling you, okay, so like the average salary of a front-end developer, okay, front-end developer in India. Let's see what we are getting. Okay, so average salary is like 1.5 to 12 LPA, means like you can take a like the average salary of each and everyone is like around 5 LP, you can guess it, okay. So after completing, and if you will become a senior developer, it can go up to the 25 to 45 LP, okay. So what I mean to say that, okay, it's not only to like to motivate you, it's a reality. If you are good in the tech and everything, you can easily crack the like this package, between this package, okay, after completing your college immediately, okay. So for this we have to be you have to like a very good command on your like take whatever you are choosing and whatever the things in demanding, okay, now in today. So we have to go with that tag. Now the people are what people are doing now, they are learning the things, okay, which are not in demand, but they are very good in that things, okay. So those people are not standing anywhere, because whatever you are doing, it's all are outdated, okay. These things are not required in the market, and you are supposing that you are master of these things. So it's good for knowledge point of view, but it will not be in use anywhere, okay, right? Suppose you are a very good driver, okay, just I'm giving one example. Suppose I'm giving one example, okay? Suppose you are a very good driver, okay? But in after like 10 or 12 years or 20 years, what will happen? Like the all automatic car has launched, okay? Everywhere there is no requirement of the driver, nothing, okay? So what will happen? Where will you exist? Okay, you have a very good skills of driving and all. So what will happen? You will become jobless, right? So what the things going in the market, in the trend market set, okay? So we have to prepare yourself according to that things only and put your time efficiency on these things. Okay. Suppose this is for the front end only, right? Suppose if I look for the salary figure of salary of full stack, a full stack developer in India. Okay. So it will start from the 4 LPA, right? Okay. So it's a true look. Okay. Like when I started my job now, so it's around like the between that figure only. Okay. So if you are good in all the things and preparing very well, so we can start it in that manner. Okay. So this is all about the full stack. So full stack we have to very good command in the front end and back end. For this there are so many tech stacks and all these things are there. So for this, we are helping out in XLR to improvise like the fresher who are coming from the college and all. So we are providing all these things, the career guidance course and everything to make you a job readiness. Okay. So these are the like the some things to which motivate you. Okay. So how many of you guys like after listening all these things, how many of you are motivated or like how you guys you to want to start your career in these things? Yeah, yeah, generative AI and all things are also there, but you have to know the basic things, then we can go on all the things. Yeah, you guys tell me like how you guys want to start your career in after like completing your college and all. What's you are planning? Where you see your okay, just answer me one thing. Where you see yourself after like 5 years or like 3 years after your college? I hope like right now everyone in the college, right? I'm expecting these things. Okay, first year, good. Yes, yes, I have sent it my LinkedIn also. You guys can connect there. Yeah, yeah, grade also matter. Like you have to be in like good CGPA above than 8. Above than 8 is good. Yeah, you have to be good CGPA throughout the semester. Some company also check like your what is the performance in like your every semester, and according to that where they decide like how you can perform in their company in upcoming technology and all. So you have to make sure like your like things are good. Yeah, cyber security is also like upcoming things is also good. Okay, for like for the fresher and all, there is a less opportunity in cybersecurity. Yes. Yeah, backend is also good. Okay. Yeah, there is a tendency there. You can like everybody can market there. Yes, yes. Any question, anything? Okay. And now after we'll discuss some two, three aspects, okay, which is really helpful to you. Okay. Suppose, okay, when you are opening some page, I'm opening Flipkart, okay. Right now I'm opening Flipkart. Okay, everybody look at we are discussing some topics. Okay. So this is the Flipkart page. When we click on it, it will open the Flipkart, right? Everybody can see it. Okay, and just yeah, everybody can see it. If you are opening on Flipkart, it's open the Flipkart, right? When you are going all the things like the gaming and health and personal care and laptop accessory and clicking on it, what will happen? It will take you on some other page. Previously you are there, you are on flipkart.com only. Okay, now what's happening if you are going for the fashions? Okay, so men's shirt, casual t-shirt, men's everything is there, men's with and like all things are there. Okay, women wear and everything is there. Okay, suppose if I click on women ethnics, what will happen? The routes it's getting changed. That is called the routes, clothing, accessory, and everything is it's a particular address. Okay, it's a particular address. If you click on it, and if you go there, it's a particular address, it will open that page only, right? Okay, so that is a particular address. And how it's possible? It's possible by the routing. Okay, so React has a very good library which is called routing. Okay, it's help you to go from one page to another page. Okay, suppose if I click on this particular page, okay, it will taking me on some other page. Okay, omna or like omad printed kurta plaza, okay, like something is giving. Okay, so that is the routes. Okay, basically routes help you to like go from like the one page to the particular page. Okay, so that is the library. So the name of the library is React. Suppose React, suppose, okay, sorry, React router DOM. Okay, so what it does, React router DOM official document, we can check it. Okay, go for the docs. Okay, what is React router? Is a mutual strategic router and providing the bridging gap between the React 18 and 19. Okay, it's about the things and all. There are three primary declaration and all. Okay, so if you go in detail like data loading, action, installation, and routing. Okay, so routing. Okay, okay, go there, installation, routing, await form link. Okay, there is a API also. If you want, you can use the API directly. So everything is written there. You don't need to worry about all the things, how the code are coming and everything, but you have to be understand first. Okay, so this is the routing, okay, which help you to like go from one page to another page, which I told you. Okay, so this is the data and which framework is supporting, it's everything is there. So what I suggest you, whenever you want to apply any like the hooks and library on the React, please go through the documentation. Okay, so on documentation you will get a good insight about the things. Okay, so these are the page, React router. Okay, so I'm sending these things to you in the chat box. Okay, so you can get it from here, and just below this there is a one. Okay, it's also a official one, you can also use it. Okay, so it's also a like very good define like how it's work, and the code is also given there. Suppose you try to understand, suppose this is the file folder and all. Okay, this is a folder and all, then what dependency we needed, it's already all things are given. And there are all things, there are so many dependency all which work with the routers and all. Okay, so we can go with these things. We want to study about the documentation, we can run, we can study about the things like about npm getting started, integration, how we integrate, and like how the threads and migration is work, and everything will get there. Okay, so we can study these things also. Okay, so I'm sending these things also. Okay, 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 I'm sending these things to you also. Chat. Okay, got it everyone? Yes, no, you got some insight about the routing, right? Now what we'll do, we'll create one more app. Okay, and this is for the like the routing only. Okay, and we'll see how the routing and everything will work. Okay, okay, got it. So now, what is module? Can you please explain once? Okay, module basically not module, it's a modal. Okay. Right now, yeah, sir, please attendance. Okay, attendance is already there. Okay, I request to the sir, sir will share you again. Okay, but someone is asking about the modal. So see what is the modal. If you go on this page now, if you go on our app, okay, right, and if you click on edit, one some pop-up is coming. Okay, that is the features of modal. Okay, in UI, that features is called modal. Okay, one a small icon is coming, and whatever you want to change it, it will come there. Okay, that is called modal, right? It's in your Amazon also, right? If you're clicking on it, okay, and somewhere it's coming, I don't remember, but if you add on click or something or buy something, it is coming. Proceed to buy or something. It's coming not now. What is coming? It's a React main features, I think. Okay, it's basically when you click on some skin now on pop-up will coming on some website also. Okay, so that is called modal. Okay, which we have implemented here. Okay, so that is called modal, right? Got it, everyone? Okay, now what I will do, I will close this and I will create one more file. Okay, for you, and below this I will create one more file. So day 9, and that is live. So for day 9 we have two files. Okay, and I will open this and I will create a React project. Okay, done. Okay, so now what we have to do, click on it, terminal, and just go there. Okay, and we have to create one React app. Okay, so what we'll do for this, where is the React? Okay, this one. Okay, this one command we have to run, right? Okay, so we are doing with the git bash, and this is the command. And if you want to change the my app name, you can change it. Okay, suppose you want to write it like my top. Okay, so this is your command. Okay, for before that, what is the things is there, we have to check it once more again, and there is a dash 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 dash. Okay, so we'll write it these things also, and then after there is a template or something, I think. After this there is a space, then template, then a space, template, template, React. That's it, and press it. So it's a start creating. Okay, and we press it no, install, and it's a start installing. Okay, now your app name is my top, you can see. So I've changed the app name by this way also. Okay, and we are creating this for the routes. Okay, yeah, it's taking a little bit of time, so let him install. For meanwhile, we go and like check for the like what we can implement by using this. Okay. Oh, okay. I want to fetch detail. Okay. Fetch detail by Axios. Okay, I will discuss one more library which is called Axios. Fetch detail by Axios. API fake store product. Fake store product and map all in grid format, and give one button when you click on it, it will take you to the cart page by routes. Okay, so let's see, it will do. Okay, so what we are doing, we are implementing the fake store API, and we are fetching this by like the, yes, by using like Axios, and then after we are implementing all the information and everything. I will explain you each and everything one by one. Okay, just let's create once. Okay, so be with me. So it's done. Now we open it and click on it. We'll get something like this. Right? Got it. Okay, just now go there and remove the things which we not required. So this is the app.jsx, I think, right? And below the div, we don't need all the things, and this p also not needed. Okay, done. Okay, let's see what's happening. It has created or not. Okay, it's created all the css and everything, right? Cart page.css. Okay, and there is a like folder grid.css. It has created everything. Okay, so for this, now what we have to do, first we have to create the cart page, okay, where we are getting all the information and everything. So it has created the cart page, and then after it has created the like the product grid, where basically we are fetching the information, I think, right? Okay, and then thereafter the main page. Okay, so we have basically a three page. Okay, so first we'll go with the, not this, and this one. Okay, that is called the main page. Okay, that is called the product grid. Okay, so we'll copy this and create the product grid.js. So go here and in src we create like the new file, product grid.jsx. Okay, and I will paste all the code. Okay, so we have created product grid. Then after what we have, I'm coming, I will explain each and everything, no need to worry. Then after what we have, oh, it's for product grid, right? Then after we have a cart page.js. Okay, so we have to create a cart page.js also. So copy it, go there and create it like a cart page.jsx. So we have a cart page also. Then after what we have a css product grid.css also. So we copy this and create a product grid css. This is the product grid.css, and then after we have a like a cart grid.css, cart page.css also, right? So we have a cart page.css. So now we have to create a cart page.css. Done. Okay, we have created all the things and we go and check it. Like this is the cart page.css and css is imported, and then after the product grid.css and the in product grid.css, it's like these things are also import. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to go in the main page. Okay, main page which call is your like app.js. Okay, in app.js what's happening there, I will explain you. So for this, what we will do it, we have created a separate route. Okay, and route for the class and everything we have created, and we are importing basically like the path and everything. I will explain. Okay, just have this code. Okay, okay, just I have the entire app.js. Okay, just copy it and we go in app.js and remove it and paste it. Okay, in this, what we have to do, if you directly run this code now, you will get some error. Okay, if you see it, you are getting some error. Okay, what error we are getting, just go there and check it. We are getting some error. Why? There is import component product get src app.js does not have the file existing. Okay, so it's getting some error or something in components because we haven't created the component. That's we are getting error. So we'll remove this. We are directly accessing the file, right? For this cart page also, we don't have this thing. Right now it's there is some different error now coming. There are two, three errors. Okay. So you want to be a good developer, you should know like what error you are getting, right? Okay. So does the file exist, white import and everything? Okay. Let me check. Now what error you are getting? SRC update, does this file exist? Let me check what's happening. SRC update, does this file exist? And blah, 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 blah. Okay. Okay. React router DOM is not there. Okay. So we have to check this React router DOM. And okay, so for this, what's happening here now? We are using React router DOM, okay, and it's not install it, okay. So first, what we have to do, we have to install it the same, okay. So we have to go to CD, and after CD, what we have to do, my top, okay. So we go on our file folder, and then after now, here it's giving some suggestion to install, okay, Axios and React router DOM. So we copy this command and paste it here and paste it, okay, and it will take some time. And if you go on your like the package.json, it will get updated, right? You can see if you go in the dependency and all now, it will get updated here. Okay, so we got React Outer DOM or Axios both. Okay, now if you go there and let's see what's happening. Okay, let me check what's happening there. Okay, we got all the product and everything, right? And if you see your terminal, it's working fine, right? So we discuss about one library which is called Axios. Okay, so we need to know about these things first. You go in product grid, okay, and product grid says because all things you know it very well. Okay, I want to tell two three things. Okay, so before that, what we are doing now? Before that, we are like using like async await or directly we are accessing. Right now, we have a only Axios. It's a library to fetch the information from the API. So we are using this and directly updating the data, directly setting the data in the like a response. Okay, we don't have to take the data separately and then we have to update it. Directly fetch only one line and it will fetch all the response what you have in the API. So what Axios it is, if you go there and Axios, okay, so this is the Axios. Okay, it's basically help you to like based on the HTTP client browser Node.js and it help you to make a like the fetch the API information and everything. It's a library. Okay, so whatever you want to know we can go with these things and you will get to know. Okay, so it basically help you the fetch the API. Okay, now we use one more library which is called where it is in app.js. Okay, we have used one more library which is called the browse router or React router DOM. Okay, basically it's used to create a routes. Okay, suppose we have created one route which name is like this is for the home page. Okay, so if you go on home page, if you go on home page we will not get anything. Okay, it's a by default. Okay, so this is the sign for the home page. Okay, so we are getting this thing in home page. Okay, and then after we are going to the cart page by clicking on button you will get a routes like slash cart. Okay, so these things are possible by the this library only. Okay, and in that cart page we are accessing this element. So if you go there and if you click on add to cart now, so it will take you on the cart page. I think, yeah, it's not working, I think. Oh, let me check why it's not working. So it's clicking on, okay, it's not taking you anywhere. Okay, but it should take you on the cart page. Okay, let me check why it's not working. Okay, so it's happening. Okay, and if you go on the cart page you will get it like on click and handle button and everything is there. Okay, 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 it's getting information and everything. Navigate to the back. Okay, it should be error in the product grid, I think. Okay, from here we are sending all the information to the cart page. This is the cart button and handle view cart. Okay, this is the view cart button. Okay, then after we are clicking on it, add to cart button. Okay, okay, okay. So here like we are not putting anything. That's why it's not working. Here we are not updating anything. Okay. So there should be some error, because here should be, we should have to trigger some function, okay, then it will work. Here is not triggering anything, okay, so that's why it's not working. So again I have to go there and check it for, okay. Okay, check your folder grid on clicking card. Not working. It will check an update, okay. Yes, right. You need to fix the product grid. This issue to add to cart button does not have any functionality. That might be either interactive, missing. Let me provide. Okay, so it's updating the cart button and all these things. Yeah, handle add to cart is given, and then after updating the cart page also, the in cart page we also have to make some changes. So it's making some changes. That things we have to do only, I think. Okay, just be there for 1-2 minutes and it will be fixed. Oh, no need to upgrade the CSS and all, but it's giving. So we are only interested in these things. Product card CSS, we just copy it and we go there, the product card, not product card, this is the product card CSS, okay. So we go there in product card CSS and put the entire code, okay, and then after we have a product grid, so we copy the product grid, all the things, and this is the product grid, okay. Let's see if CSS is working, then it's good, otherwise we will update these things also. Okay, so we got all the things, okay, and when we click on it, view card, nothing is there, okay, so it's adding now. If you are clicking on a view card now, it take you on this page, okay. Let me check. Adding things, fake folders added, okay. Now we go on click, okay, we can see like 2 items are getting right, so it's working fine. If you click on in delete, it will get deleted. And now here see that routes has changes, okay. Basically these things I want to tell. So your routes has changes from this app.jsx due to these routes, okay. So we have given these routes, okay. If you change this, let's try. If you change this one, okay, card one, okay. So now you go there and this route is not working, okay. Now if you click on some more item, added, and if you go on view cart, so your route set changes, okay, because this route address we haven't given, that's why it's not working. So keep it as it is. We have to update like the from where we are fetching the information also, but right now we are going with these things, okay. Done everyone, okay. So that's all for today, okay. Hope you everybody has joined, okay. Thanks guys, see you tomorrow, okay guys, or same time, okay. And tomorrow we'll discuss some more interesting things about the development and all, okay. Yes, done now. Yes, sir, we can wind up right now, I think, right?
Yeah, sure, sir. Thank you.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.